Magandang umaga. Thank you for attending this press con. We just filed our petition with the Supreme Court. The petition is basically grounded on two provisions of the Constitution. First, the Constitution says no law shall be passed authorizing the transfer of appropriations. Ngayon, yung 2024 General Appropriations Act says the Secretary of Finance is authorized to transfer excess funds of PhilHealth to the National Treasury to fund the unprogrammed appropriations. So that is a direct violation because the general rule is no law shall be passed authorizing the transfer of appropriations. Yung 2024 GAA authorized the transfer. Ngayon, under that provision of the Constitution, there are exceptions. Ano ang exceptions? One, the President can transfer savings from one item of the budget to another to augment that other item, but only within the executive department. But it's the President, it's not the Secretary of Finance. In the judiciary, it is the Chief Justice who can transfer savings, not appropriations. Iba yung savings, iba yung appropriations. In the Congress, it's the House Speaker who can transfer savings for the budget of the House, and in the Senate, it's the Senate President. And for constitutional officers, it's the chairman of these constitutional bodies. Only savings can be transferred, hindi yung buong appropriation. Ano yung savings? Savings are yung appropriation, pag let's say 1 billion appropriation to build a bridge, 800 million lang nagamit, yung 200 million, yun yung savings, yun ang pwedeng i-transfer to augment another item. Pero itong 2024 GAA authorized the Secretary of Finance, hindi naman siya kasama doon sa mga officers authorized to transfer savings. So that's violation. At saka he is authorized to transfer the appropriation, the surplus funds. For PhilHealth, wala namang surplus kasi hindi pa tapos yung universal health services, no? Ang dami pang nangangailangan ng gamot, kulang pa yung mga hospitals, so hindi pa na-accomplish yung purpose ng PhilHealth. So walang savings. There is another provision of the Constitution that is being violated. Nakalagay sa Constitution, special funds raised through taxation for a specific purpose cannot be used for any other purpose. Yung funds ng PhilHealth was raised by a special law, by the excise tax, yung tinatawag na sin taxes, nakalagay doon, X% of the taxes from excise taxes shall be used to fund the objectives of PhilHealth. So that is a special fund raised for a specific purpose. Under the Constitution, you cannot use those special funds for any other purpose. Expression. Ang ginawa nila, ginamit nila itong special funds of PhilHealth, ilinipat doon sa ibang items for program appropriation. That's a violation of the express prohibition against the use of special funds for any other purpose. Under the Constitution, pwede mo magamit yung special funds for other purposes only in two cases. If there is a law abandoning the purpose, wala naman. And if the purpose has been accomplished, hindi pa naman na-accomplish yung purpose ng PhilHealth. So these are the two main grounds that we are citing in our petition. And we are asking the court, the Supreme Court, to issue a TRO. Bakit? Irreparable ito. Sa PhilHealth lang, 89.9 billion ang ililipat nila. That is irreparable because pag nagasto na yan, there's nobody in government that can reimburse that. Kasi the rule is, if it's an illegal disbursement, yung nag-disburse illegally will have to return the money. But how can anyone return 89.9 billion? Hindi kaya ni Secretary Recto yan. So it is irreparable. It cannot be returned. So dapat may TRO ito. Otherwise, hindi na babalik yan sa government. No? Nobody can get back those funds. So those are two grounds. So we'll be open for questions from the press. Thank you.
Okay, so